What's up guys, it's Mastercard and welcome back to my channel. I just want to say a big thank you to all my 1000 subscribers. It's good to have you guys here. In this video, I'll be doing a battery and gaming test of the TECNO Camon 15. In my last video, I did the unboxing and review of the TECNO Camon 15. You can check the link in the description below or click the card above if you'd like to check that out. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also click the bell icon to get notifications when I post new videos. Now to the video. The TECNO Camon 15 has a 5000 mAh battery, which is definitely a big battery and it will take some time to charge up because of the absence of fast charge. About 1 hour 30 minutes of charging will give you almost 45% battery, which is really not bad. For 50% battery, you will need to wait an extra 10 minutes, bringing the total time to 1 hour 40 minutes. 3 hours of continuous charge will bring your battery up to 80%, and an extra 30 minutes will give you a battery percentage of 90%. To get a 100% full battery charge, you will need to have your phone plugged for about 4 hours 15 minutes, which is definitely a long time to wait. Next, we'll move on to the gaming test. Based on the request from my last video, I played Asphalt 9, FIFA 20, and Call of Duty Mobile. I played Asphalt 9 on high settings and there were no noticeable lags. Here's a view of the gameplay. One thing I noticed during gameplay is that due to the position of the speakers at the bottom, you will continually block the speakers when playing games. You should be careful about this so as to enjoy optimum gaming experience. To the battery usage, 1 hour of playing Asphalt 9 dipped the battery by 8%, which is a significant percentage if you're trying to play the game for a long period of time. Next, I watched some YouTube videos just to mimic the everyday life of an average smartphone user. 1 hour 9 minutes of YouTube took another 10% of the battery. This shows that YouTube is more battery consuming than games. An extra 1 hour of YouTube took additional 7%, bringing the total consumption by YouTube in 2 hours to 17%. Next, I played FIFA 20 on max settings to see how Camon 15 would hold up, and the gameplay was pretty normal. Here is how it fared. I decided to watch some funny videos on Instagram, which is what most of us do in our daily life. For 1 hour of browsing through Instagram, you will lose 8% of battery, while 1 hour of FIFA 20 would cost you less, about 7% of your battery. Running the Antutu Benchmark test, you would get a score of 100,788 in total, a CPU score of 40,755, and a GPU score of 13,190. Finally, based off your recommendation, I played Call of Duty Mobile on max settings to see the performance of the Camon 15. Here is the gameplay.
fight harder. Reloading! Cover me! We've taken the lead. Tied for the lead. We've taken the lead. Reloading! Cover me! UAV recon standing by. UAV recon is standing by. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. UAV online.
There were no lags or performance issues while I was playing, and about 1 hour of Call of Duty gaming took 13% of the battery. I used the phone with a full charge for a day and 5 hours, and I still got 27% left. You can take advantage of the gaming mode settings to improve your gaming experience. An example would be the settings to stop notifications from popping up to allow distraction-free gaming. So guys, that's all for the video. Like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you come back for more, and share if you can. Until next time, see you.